Hi. Uh, my kids and I are a little bit sick with the cold and we're coughing. So we decided to make ourselves some cough syrup from wild cherries, and we have a lot of wild cherries on our property. So we'll do that. So here we have our cherries. They are intertwined with vinaigrette, yes, with grapes. So we have to see that the cherries are the darker ones and they have pits inside that are actually poisonous. So we don't eat the pits inside the cherries.
Pits are poisonous.
Yes, and
So if we gave the
grapes.
pets, so we can't give the pets?
Yeah, we don't gulp the pits. We spit them out. Let's do it. So we're cutting the bark like so.
And where's the bark?
This is the bark.
Okay, so we got some bark.
So we get the inside of the bark.
So the inside. So this is
It smells really good. Smell it, Daniel. Smell it.
Oh.
It smells like cherry. It smells really good. Okay.
Oh God, I gotta turn my shoe. I gotta turn my shoe. Yeah, we got a piece of bark.
So this is a piece of bark, and what we actually need
Is the inside.
is the inside of the bark.
So we cut the bark off the inside, I guess.
So when you're gathering the cherries, what you want to do, you want to roll them in your hand, and they just easily come off. And here how it looks like. It's very fuzzy. So I'm gonna gather some of that to add to our syrup. What did you find? And here is some plantain for us. Perfect. So here we have some cherries. Cherry bark. Smells great. And plantain and mullein all have great medicine for respiratory tract. And now we're gonna use them. So I have my bark in a jar, and I'm going to completely cover it with water and leave it steep like that for cherry bark is steeping. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make infusion of the plantain and mullein that we have here.
There are plantain seeds in here.
Yeah, they're plantain. So we'll cover the leaves completely with hot water.
All the way to the top. All the way. I can't fit out. Can you move?
Like that?
Like that. It's
And-
full. We can't touch it now. So we're gonna make berry syrup. Berry syrup, right?
Yes, this is wild cherries. We're gonna measure how much wild cherries we have. So can you hold the cup over?
Yeah. So we hold the cup over, of course. I think a cherry just ran away.
So
We have
that's
one last
cup.
cherries.
So that's
Now we have one cup. So we throw it in like this. Very gently. And again. Means another cup. Which makes 2 cups. Very gently. Now last cup, I think. You can just put it in the whole basket, you know.
Yes, so we have 3 cups of cherries. And instead of sugar, I'm going to use honey.
Honey.
I find that using sugar is counterproductive because sugar does not let the vitamins absorb into the body.
Delicious.
So wait, we have to know how much honey we have though.
We don't have much.
We don't have much. But ideally, we would need 2 cups of honey. Can you hold it? We
That's a
might
lot of
have
honey.
that much.
Cover it all in honey. Mmm. This is good. There's some more honey. What type of honey is this?
So there is some honey, there is some cherries, and now we're going to steam.
We have
them
honey
for 20
bee honey.
minutes.
Honey bee honey.
So we're going to simmer the honey with the berries for 20 minutes. This is how it looks like. So the cherry syrup is ready, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna
cheese it with the cheesecloth.
we're gonna strain it through the cheesecloth. Excuse me.
It's my brother. So just put it in like that. After your cheesecloth is gonna be a bit red, not cheese color. Cheese with a chainsaw. So like that. So then you pull it out in a little bag. Squeeze it.
So we're gonna finish up our coughing syrup.
That's not that good anymore though.
What we had to do with the herbal infusion of plantain and mullein is we made a concoction.
Like
So-
instead of tanned, it's the wrong one, you know though.
Why?
I didn't love them. And it's very hot now.
Ta-da!
And you
It's ready. The cough syrup is ready.
And I don't know when I try it.
We are all going to try it. I'm going to try it first.
Cut!
Very good. Nice and fuzzy,
That you can this.
and there are plantain leaves that
They
were
look like
eaten by
this.
caterpillars, I think.
With caterpillar holes and spit. I'll turn it on this. Whack! Then just dry it up. So just like this a little.
Alright, so the cherry syrup is ready.
I have honey all over me now, Mom. It was leaking. It's a syrup now. It's a lot of syrup.
And we'll wait for 8 hours.
This is a long time.